is Wednesday and fucking raining, so the quality is gonna be shit. Apologize. I'm setting up for my CDL Class B test that I need to be taking. Just setting up a course. Went over a pre-trip. That took a while. It's fucking raining. I'm soaked, but I'm getting this course all set up. Can't see that way. All set up, practicing backing, which I think I actually am doing pretty good at. I think that what would fail me would be my pre-trip. So I don't know if I'll get any wrestling this week, but I'll see what I can do. I think I got wrestling Saturday, so I'll definitely show some of that. But yeah, I'm gonna throw in some training spots to show what I'm supposed to be doing to pass, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy. This rain is fucking bullshit. Doing? Having fun? Just got to the dojo today. Won't be training. My foot's fucking I'm probably have to get my foot looked at again. I'm pretty sure it's sprained. If I'm not on it all day, it's good, but like working all day and then trying to do a workout, I can't do. Failed my test. Failed my drive. It's all right. I failed one of the backing things. I'll get it next time. But yeah, let's head in the dojo and fucking watch some fucking wrestling. At least I'm here, right? It's a final countdown. Camera's rolling. Bring that down.
Of course, he sharded, but it's still it still stunk.
Roger Rutherford on Facebook. What was it like taking that huge bump from Mr. Kennedy from the top of the ladder at WrestleMania 23?
It's awesome. He's the one that trained me, being a part of my first WrestleMania. I was him with the guy who trained me.
So they threw me out after I did a casket match with Heidenreich and The Undertaker, and The Undertaker tombstone me and put me into the casket, which was my farewell. But then they tried to put together this ECW show, and it was going all wrong. Yes, you moved over to Raw.
Yes, yeah, they came after our deal.
We had a big thing in the cage, and I remember they moved me to Raw after we had this amazing thing. It was you and Cena and Ray, and Vince moved her. I remember asking him, I said, Vince, do you like money? And he went, of course I like money. Then why are you moving me to Raw? This is going, we had such a cool thing
It was
going.
the first instance where I was like, these are two separate shows.
Yeah, and our show was killing it, but they moved me to Raw. I think that was one of the reasons, because Raw ratings were...
Look at those good boys. Look at those good boopers.
I am at my favorite haircut place that I probably need to switch, sadly, because it's just gas. It's just way too much to just get here. It is Water Street Company in Water Street something in Augusta, Maine. My sister, when she was in haircut school, all these guys knew my sister, and I knew a few of them. I know all of them now when they were learning how to cut hair, and they'd always come over and help out my sister whenever she needed help doing certain things, because I got haircuts for free at that time, because they don't know what the fuck they're doing. So it's like, yeah, sure, come get a free haircut, where if they fuck up, hey, that's your own fault. So I know all these guys, and they all started this business, and they went from a small shop to across the street to a bigger shop. They have more barbers. They're always booked, like all the time. Like you gotta book like a week in advance for most of these guys. So yeah, let's go get my haircut. I really fucking need it. You see how fucking long this shit is? It's down to my eyebrow, and I bet if it's wet, it'd go fucking right here, because I haven't had a haircut in like 3 months. I need one, so let's go get that done. There. Now I'm feeling like Big Cat. Wanted to show more of inside the shop, but it's kind of crowded. Didn't want to be rude. Gave him one of the posters for Let's Wrestle coming up May 21st in Hermon, Maine. So now I am going to drive home. The nice 2-hour drive. Almost 2-hour drive. First I'm gonna need to make a pit stop. I gotta take a piss. Tomorrow, Vacationland. I'm not wrestling it, except for some guy named Ox. He's I think that's what his name is. He's wrestling for me. Just because I couldn't make it. Guy's kind of dickhead, but it is what it is. He'll probably do some content with you guys. So yeah, I'll catch you guys tomorrow, or some more, maybe more content today. We'll find out. Na 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 na. Hey hey hey. Goodbye. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Hey hey hey. Goodbye. Hit the side, right? Well, that's gonna end the day. I'm really sore. I'm gonna ice my foot and shit, and yeah, I think it was a good week. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. You know, stay tuned for more content. You guys can check out my socials: Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and I hope you guys have a great day. And hey, subscribe if you guys like it. Thanks again. I'm going to bed. The whole price. I just looked at it because it's been hurting. I was like, oh, let's see how bad it's gotten. Check this out.
Ouch.
Yeah, fuck.